Hi guys, welcome to this test PC. This morning I changed a little bit more the ATT's locale. Now my locale is Italian, right? So you have a drop down here to load available locales. And this is the drop down. Have a look at all the languages that it provides. And tools like XFCE or desktops like XFCE, Plasma, Cinnamon, GNOME, the big boys, let's say, right? They have everything already translated. Now we have also a translation here, right? This is from us, configura il terminale Alacrity, right? Strumento grafico per configurare e something. Crea l'ISO di Kiro con correzione preliminario, maybe, right? That's it, was here. Nari. Anyway, so the things, the names have changed. I see this one can benefit from a translation more, but as you see, tutte le applicazioni, right? Accessori. So it's all now in Italian, and we try to put our apps as well and give our apps as well some kind of translation. So in here as well, you see some information. Leggi le ultime notizie su ArchLinux e Kiro. Oh, wow, has been a while. It feels like, ooh, it's hurting, right? Anyway, we have Italian choices. It can set to any language. In the other video, it was German, French, now Italian. But let's include something else. That's the fact that a super shift enter also says documenti, immagini, so images, right? So all these things here have been changed, and that's a little bit of knowledge that's now shared in this video. .config, this thing and that thing basically is telling what to do, right? This file is written by xdg-user-dirs-update. And if you want to change back to English, right, or in this case to Italian, you delete everything. These two files need to go. Actually, the other files need to go as well. That means from here till here. So best you do this in the beginning, right? Or later on, but then you have to move everything. So open terminal here. Oh, nice, right? Now, this was Italian, creare cartella, so a folder. But what you need to remember is xdg, that's how I remembered it, and then tab, right? And tab. And it's the very last one where you are going to create your own user dirs update. And it's going to look at the language and say, oh, everything is set into Italian, so I'll just make everything in Italian. And the end result is basically here, which he reads again and again, right? And voila. So if you set it to French, he'll know, and everything will be transformed. All the folders will be renamed differently. In this case, video is the same, but all the rest is different. All right. Enjoy switching between languages. Maybe you're learning a new language. Why not change your system to the language you're learning in the courses? Cheers.